Oh, I don't think they can hear you. They'll stir up here in a second and fly over. There goes a whole bunch of them. Whoa, that's crazy.
There's a whole bunch of birds staying here. How are the birds staying here?
I don't know what they're doing.
I think they're looking for honey.
Birds don't eat honey.
Oh,
here comes a whole bunch. Ah, that's crazy.
But hummingbirds. Mom, what do birds eat?
Worms.
Hummingbirds.
Woo, there goes a whole bunch back.
Honeybirds eat honey. They would long
My gosh.
Get some honey out. Honeybirds. Honeybirds are little. No? They're very, very, very tiny. You can even can't see them.
There they all go.
There they all are.
Ah, back at the house.
All day. This staying here. Where are they? They're spending the night here, aren't they? Yeah.
I don't know, but this is wild.
Yeah. You better call Daddy.
He's on his way home. Maybe he'll drive up and see him. Maybe they'll flog him.
Yeah. I think they'll grab onto his windows. But they always like to fly in the sky. They're heading the way home. But we never feeded the
Ooh,
birds.
here they come, here they come. Ooh. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Oh my gosh.
No, we never feeded the birds.
Evidently they think we feed here.
But we don't. But we don't feed birds or chickens. Uh-oh.